Hi, if you're an Aries or know somebody who is an Aries, then this painting is for you. We are in Aries season right now, and like I said, every month I'm going to be doing a video based on the zodiac sign. Aries is the baby of all signs, so if you've ever met an Aries, they act like children, not in a bad way. And I mean that because they're extremely impatient. What do we do next? What do we do next? What happens next? So I've chosen fiery colors for an Aries. They tend to be drawn to bright reds, bright oranges, yellows. The colors for this painting as well as the recipe are listed in the description of this video so that I don't bore you, especially in Aries because they get bored very, very easily. I think it's part of the impatience thing, to be honest. Okay, so it's like, what's next? What's next? I'm bored. Let's go. They're always going to be the first one to show up and probably the first one to leave. Here is my Arctic White cell activator that I'm going to put directly on my swipe tool. And all you need is a little bit. A little bit of that goes a long way. That little 4-ounce bottle right there has lasted me through countless paintings. And I'm just pushing a little bit on there and then spreading it around. Just like that. Make sure to get the edges. Okay, and I think one thing that I forgot to add, and that is my iridescent, and which is also listed in the description of this video. That iridescent that I'm using is going to dry clear and sparkly, and it's going to give it a nice little glaze, but only when the painting dries, and it looks really cool. Okay, so I'm going to swipe nice and slow. Oops, sorry, this has to be slow, Aries. Be patient. Those cells will pop up. Okay. And a little bit of heat also helps to get the cells and the lacing to pop up faster. Because God knows we have to do it faster because this is a video for an Aries. I am using a spatula that's smaller than the swipe tool I was using at first. Let's try to get that area right there. And again, you want to swipe nice and slow. Put that cell activator directly on the colors. Okay. And those cells will pop up. Okay. Be a little patient, Aries. And I'm also going to get those colors right there on the top as well. And I'm using my smallest swipe tool to do that. So far I'm loving it. Definitely looks fiery and I cannot wait to spread this. Okay, so I'm putting that base coat that I had always have extra base coat, okay, because I like to put it on the corners so that when I start spreading I don't have to worry about covering corners and losing parts of the composition that I really like. Alright, and now for the fun part. I'm going to spread this out. And I'm thinking it's going to turn out pretty cool. Okay? And remember, Aries, there's no rush. Take your time. Okay, you want to go corner to corner first. Try to get the paint to spread before it falls off the canvas. And what I mean is spread it evenly. Okay? Try to get as much of the paint on the canvas as you can before tilting any of the paint off. Because you don't know what parts are going to turn up that you really like, and you don't want to lose them. So try to keep the composition in the center. Aries are very bold people, and I think this is a pretty bold painting with those colors. If you are hanging out with an Aries, you've got to match their energy. They do not like downers at all. You gotta be able to keep up with them. At the same time though, it's good to challenge them because if you don't challenge them, that's when they get bored. Okay, so if you're with an Aries or have a friend who's an Aries, occasionally challenge them. They like that. They're not gonna show it and they're gonna whine and bitch like a child, but they do like that you challenge them. Aries are very, very loyal people. They will have your back no matter what. Even if you're in the wrong, they will still have your back. Now to your face, they're going to call you out, but behind your back, they're going to stand up for you, which I think is a great quality. They're always playing devil's advocate, which is and is not a bad thing, depending on the situation. Almost done here, Aries. Almost done. Just want to get a little bit more tilt off on the sides there. And I love that I was able to keep some of the negative space in this painting. Almost done. I'd say it looks pretty fiery. What do you think? So, Aries, if you were patient enough to watch this entire video, I must have done something right, so thank you. If you all have any questions, comments, or feedback, or Aries, if you just feel the need to come and kick the crap out of me, please leave it in the comments section. Until next time, bye.